Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Your dream luxurious home awaits you. This home is located in the tranquil and cool neighborhood of Hatfield, Manchester, and was built in 2020. It sits on 0.22 acres. This home is suitable for a perfect family home or investment property. This modern and meticulously split-level designed masterpiece consists of 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms. The basement accommodates a 1-bedroom self-contained income earner flat, which is currently tenanted. Ground floor facilitates entrance patio, living and dining areas, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen with dining area, laundry room, balcony and built-in laundry, which is currently tenanted. The upper floor is unoccupied and has a master bedroom, master bathroom with jacuzzi, walk-in closet, 2 additional bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, living and dining area and patio. There is a lot of outdoor space and well-landscaped lawns for recreational activities, with spectacular views and varied fruit trees to enjoy when in season. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 54 million or US $350.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.